Hello, Peter. How are you? I look forward to this summer we can go on a trip. But I don't agree with you in going to Cancun. I hate to go sunbathing. I would prefer to go on a cruise through the Mediterranean. Have you been on a cruise? I haven't traveled in a ship. You? I could find an offer in a travel agency. In the morning, we will do seaside, and in the afternoon, we can swim. Martha has been to Mykonos, and she prefers dancing on the beach than on a disco. This is wonderful. We can see the sea. In August, we will be sailing towards Mykonos, so we are going to make a reservation for a cruise to the Great Islands. See you soon.